What's up everybody, Thomas from DSLR. Today I'm on a test location. We're gonna scout the location. It's Timon, famous Rotterdam artist. He makes famous paintings and photography, and I'm gonna shoot his gallery. So today I'm practicing, taking some shots, and then I'm gonna do it for real pretty soon. So let's go. So I had a clear shot of what I had to shoot. Timon talked me through what was important. So basically the left wall, the right wall, the hanging object on the left, the board, the shirt on the right, the bar on the right, and left is his workplace. So after remapping, another go, and it's not actually the final result, but I almost have a good planning. In the end I'll show what I have in mind for the actual night flying. So at the actual recording night I'll probably fly a little bit slower, but I have now a good plan in my mind. So I'll start at the bar, I'll go through it or over it, then I'll pass the first part of the right wall, then I'll circle around the jacket, I'll circle around the board, then go back through the hammock, take the last piece of the right wall, then go back, then go to the left wall, make the whole wall, pass his working place, and then exit to the window outside. There is no window, but I'll make a transition, call to action, end video. Fuck. If you know a better path, send me DM, let me know. Yo.